Hello, welcome back to Belinda's Kitchen, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that's out there. And today I'm going to fix cube steak with mashed potatoes. That'll be my dish for Mother's Day today. So if you want to come along with me and follow me on what I'm going to do, I'm about to get started. I'm going to start seasoning the cube steak. Make sure it's nice and seasoned because I don't want to overdo it. Yeah. I always like to put this on top to make it flavor better. And ground paprika. Ooh, it's coming out. Okay, finna drop the cube steak in the skillet. Yeah, like that. That's what I should have did in the first place. Put the other one in there. And yes. I'm going to let it get nice and brown on one side and then flip it over to the other side for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to let it cook a little bit more. Let me cover it up so it won't pop everywhere. Right, while that's cooking, I will clean this. I got to clean this up. By the way, I did talk to two of my daughters today, and they're mothers, and I'm a mother. I have grandchildren, great-grandchildren. So it's kind of a special day for me, and it's a special day for them. So that's why I wanted to wish all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day, and grandmothers happy Mother's Day. Okay, see how nice and brown that is? And look how nice and brown that is. That's the way I love to cook my cube steak. Actually, I could make potatoes from scratch, but I don't really want to do all of that today because it's Mother's Day and this is a special day for me. So I'm just going to have Idaho 4-cheese mashed potatoes instant. Okay, so the cube steaks are done. So I'm going to put them in this pot here. Drain, get all the grease drained. And after I drain the grease, which I don't have grease in this pot, I'm going to fry some onions in here. And then I'm going to put some water in here and simmer it down for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes to 30 minutes, where it can be nice and tender. And let that cook. Okay, so guys, I'm getting ready to simmer the cube steak down with teriyaki, sweet teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna add some of this on here. That gives it a really good flavor. Too much and make it about that much should work. And let it simmer down. And just a little bit of olive oil. Drop the corn into the water. Mother's Day treat. Strawberries with chocolate on it, and it looks so good. sweet and vibrant Moscato. Okay, guys, everything is ready. The food is done. I'm ready to eat. I'm so hungry. So, guys, I'm hoping you guys doing the same thing, out enjoying yourself for Mother's Day. And I'm going to show you something that I got for Mother's Day. This here, I think these are so beautiful flowers. They got the roses and the pink ones and the purple ones. And I think these are tulips. I'm not for sure. They smell so good. But thanks for watching. And make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks. Bye. I'll see you next time.